Have you heard about a person called Sri Ramana Maharishi? Heard about him? That name, Ramana Maharishi? Throughout his life, he lived only in one town. He never moved. Many, many years he lived in Tiruvannamalai, a town called Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu, India. He never even moved from a certain place. Why think about Tiruvannamalai city? He never even traveled there. He was sitting always in a certain area. That's all. Do you know the impact of that person to the world? Impact. Millions of people are living because of him. He never traveled even 2 kilometers distance in his whole life. He is one of the person, I am referring his name because he is one of the person who tasted himself. I am referring examples. Who tasted oneself. What will be the impact of such a person, even though he never moved out of the place? Doesn't matter. He never sent out any Facebook message, please come to the satsang. He never sent any newsletter. In those days, there was no facility also except to write a postcard. He never even sent that. No phone call to his friend. Oh, my dear friend, I am tasted very well. His taste is so nice, please come to my place. And he never even uttered that. But he helped and still helping. He will be helping in the coming years and years, as long as humanity existing. His calls continue. That is the result of a person who really tasting oneself. Tasting oneself. There were days when he was in the physical body, there were days he couldn't able to get a single meal. Because all his life he just begged with the neighbor streets and begged food and ate. There were days no food for the next meal. But he never bothered because he was tasting himself. One time absence of meal did not make much difference with him. Isn't it? So the questioner is asking this way, with so much division and hate currently in the world, what is the best way to protect ourselves from it? Stay connected to God and make sure the light prevails. You stay with the light. When I say inner kitchen, I say it is your light. Your inner kitchen is your light. Beyond your body, beyond your mind, beyond your skills and knowledges, abilities, etc. Beyond all you know, it's an unknown zone. Because it is unknown, it does not mean that you will not taste it. You can taste it, you will taste it. You are already tasting it. Accidentally. Make it conscious. Make it permanent.